Hello Dentakay, my name is Leon, I'm from London, the UK.
My name is Christos Karamanolis, Greek citizen living and working in Germany.
My name is Dean and I'm from England.
The problem with my teeth was that I couldn't smile comfortably.
When I was about 10 years old, I had a really serious car accident, ended up in hospital, broke a lot of bones, and I actually lost my 3 front teeth.
The problem with the teeth, like I said, they were discoloured. I wasn't happy with the colour. They also got hit quite a lot in rugby in contact, so they were moved around quite a lot. One of my front teeth actually dropped.
I was on the internet a lot, surfing, and I saw many companies' reviews, but Dentakay was the one that stood out. The reviews was astronomical, they were brilliant, and that was it. I got in contact and they got in contact with me, and the rest is, here I am.
Originally, I looked on Instagram, and then I went through to the website. I had to fill in some details, which obviously came through to you guys. Then I was contacted pretty much straight away, which was good.
I chose Dentakay because the reviews and the comments from the patients were 5 stars. This is what I need, this is what I wanted to feel secure and get my Hollywood smile.
It took me a long time to make a decision, but as soon as I made it, it was the right choice. I think it was on the Monday that I spoke to them. I booked a flight on that Monday for the Friday.
I made my decision 2 hours after I contacted Dentakay and I booked the appointment. They were waiting for me in the airport. They picked me up. They sent me an SMS via WhatsApp and they said where should I wait for the driver.
I was looking at the YouTube videos, and once I stepped in, I was like, wow, like I'm finally here. It was amazing. It was really glamorous. It was pretty. It was very clean. It smelled very nice. And it just looked really like something out of Hollywood. So I was really happy to be here.
Very clean, very hygienic. It's pretty aesthetically pleasing. It's good to look at. Everybody's super friendly. So it's good. When you walk in, it's exactly what you see online, to be honest. It's great.
I'm a very confident person, but I was very insecure with my smile. But my confidence is literally 100% now, and I will smile forever.
Yeah, we're gonna get my self-confidence back. I will definitely communicate more with people.
To be completely honest, before, smiling, I'm a happy person, but I didn't ever really feel confident in smiling. I think that will definitely change now when I get back.
My reaction when I first saw Monique smile was just like, wow, like wow, this was amazing. I was overjoyed, I was overwhelmed, but overall it was a long time coming, and I was really happy, and over the minute I was very grateful.
I could have cried, to be honest. I was really happy with it. Like I said, I hated my teeth, and it was a big thing for a long time. I didn't want to smile. When I saw them yesterday, I was over the moon. I literally wanted to hug him. I was that happy. I cannot recommend Dentakay enough. They completely put you at ease. Everything's easy. There's nothing to worry about, and the service is phenomenal.
The experience was absolutely amazing, and I would recommend anybody to come here. Perfect.
My advice to the people that they want to get their teeth fixed is they have to contact Dentakay.
Thank you, Dentakay.
Thank you, Dentakay.
Thank you, Dentakay. Brilliant service.